My dear brothers and sisters, in the Gospel, Joseph was described as a righteous man. Isang taong matuwid itong si Jose. But I would like to add, Joseph was also a dreamer. Joseph was also a dreamer. In the Gospel of St. Matthew, especially on the 2nd chapter, Joseph was described as having dreams, just like in the Gospel that we have heard, na naginip siya at sinabi sa kanya ng Panginoon sa pamamagitan ng anghel, "Huwag mong iwan si Maria. Ang dinadala niya ay bunga ng Espiritu Santo." In another dream, Joseph was told, "Bring the child and his mother to Egypt," because someone, Herod, was wanting to kill the child. And then in another dream, Joseph was told, "Do not return to Bethlehem, to Jerusalem. Rather go to Galilee." Joseph is a dreamer. Alam niyo po, sa sa Tagalog, ang dream ay pwedeng mga hulugan ng panaginip. I had a bad dream last night. I had a good dream last night. Ang ganda ng napaginipan ko. Dream, panaginip. But dream can also mean pangarap. I have a dream. I have the dream that someday justice will prevail. I have a dream that someday, like the dream of Martin Luther King, a child will not be judged by the color of his skin, but by the character that is within. A dream, pangarap. Mga ginigilig kong kapatid, ano ang inyong pangarap? Si Jose, meron din siyang pangarap. Pangarap niyang bumuo ng pamilya, kaya't siya ay kasintahan ni Maria. Pinangarap niya sigurong magkaroon ng isang simpleng buhay. May pangarap si Jose. Ano ang inyong pangarap? What is your dream? And does this dream align with the dream of God? Yung bang pangarap natin ay alinsunod sa pangarap ng Diyos? Kasi si Jose may pangarap, pero may ibang pangarap ang Panginoon. May ibang pangarap ang Diyos. May ibang plano ang Diyos. Do our dreams align with the dream or plan of God? Kaya maganda po siguro, paminsan-minsan, itanong din natin sa ating mga sarili, "Lord, ano ba ang plano mo para sa akin?" Hindi ko kung ano ang plano ko. Hindi yung kung ano ang plano natin. Magandang itanong natin sa panalangin, "Lord, ano ang plano mo para sa akin?" Katatapos lang po ng ordination, 4 ang bagong pari ng Archdiocese of Manila. Before the ordination, I was greeting Cardinal Advincula. Congratulations po, meron tayong 4 na bagong pari. Pero itong mga bagong paring ito, hindi naman kaagad nagsimula sa pagpapari. Isa dyan, nurse. Hindi ko lang alam yung ibang kurso ng iba. Meron silang pangarap. Pero mayroong ibang pangarap ang Diyos para sa kanila. At yon ang kanila sa bandang huling sinundan. My dear brothers and sisters, we will never be happy until and unless we do God's plan. So Joseph is a dreamer. But Joseph is also a doer. In the Gospel, it is said, when Joseph awoke, he did as the angel of the Lord had commanded him, and took his wife into his home. Joseph was not only a dreamer, Joseph was a doer. Yan ang kumisa ng problema sa marami sa atin. Ang iba, hanggang pangarap lang. Ayaw kumilos. Inaasa lang lahat sa Diyos. Anong sabi natin sa Tagalog? Nasa Diyos ang awa, nasa tao ang gawa. Let us be like Joseph. Let us be dreamers, but let us also be doers. Amen.